Welcome to Math with Soumya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. This is another question from NCERT exercise 6.3, question number 12. Sides AB and BC. So this is AB and BC and the median AD of one of the triangle are respectively proportional to the side PQ, QR and the PM. So AD and PM are the medians here of the particular triangles. I have already wrote the given. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AD and PM are the medians respectively, and what is given to prove? We need to prove this. So let us directly go to the proof. You can write down and you please write it in the same order so you can score complete marks because all the steps are important. Now we know AD is a midpoint of the triangle. So I can say here BD is equal to DC in triangle ABC. The reason, because AD is the median. AD is the median here. So, and similarly, this one even I can say 2 times BD is equal to BC. This and similarly other way. So, you can use here. Similarly, QM is equal to MR in triangle PQR. The reason here PM is the median. PM is the median. So I will say here 2 times QM is equal to QR. So I got two things. 2 times BD is equal to BC and 2 times QM is equal to QR. I call it as equation 1, which we will be using it further. And continuing further, so this much we have got it. So we just continue further from here. Now, what is given to me? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. This is equal to AD by PM. This is given to me. Now, here BC is nothing but 2 times BD, which we have. So, I just can replace that. In place of BC, I will put 2 times BD. In place of QR, 2 times QM, which is equal to AD by PM. Now, AB by PQ, 2 get cancelled here. So, I am left out with BD by QM, which is equal to AD by PM. So, what all I got now? AB by PQ, this is BD and QM, and also AD and PM. These three are proportional, shows that the two triangles are similar. By SSS similarity, I can easily say that. So, because these three sides are proportional, this implies triangle ABD. That means this only half of the triangle, this particular one and this particular one. Similar to triangle PQM by SSS similarity. And therefore the corresponding angles must be equal. I will take this angle B is equal to angle Q. Mark it as 2 here. Marking it as 2. Now we shall take in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, which has been asked to prove here. We have angle B is equal to angle Q. AB by PQ and BC by QR are equal. It is given to me. So, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, which give me SAS similarity. So, using SAS similarity, I can prove that these two triangles are similar to each other. So, therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity. Hence, we have proved this. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now, this is the question which is NCERT exercise 6.4 question number 3 I have taken. So in this question, what we are going to get? So here, this is the question where it is given a figure where ABC and DBC are two triangles standing on the same base BC and they intersect at O. We have to prove this particular thing. Area of triangle ABC by DBC is equal to AO by DO. Now, construction, we have just given that two triangles, that's it. So, this is the construction which I am going to do now. I shall drop AP and DQ perpendicular to BC. So, we can say draw AP perpendicular to BC and DQ perpendicular to BC. Now, under proof, these two, we drop the perpendicular here. Now, we know that what is area of triangle? Area of triangle is nothing but half into base into height is the area of triangle. So, we shall take here area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC. What is area of triangle ABC? Half into base is same BC, which is nothing but AP. And this is similarly half into, this is BC into DQ. These two get cancelled. So, I just left out with area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to AP by DQ. For this particular sum, I mark it as 1. We just use it further. We are going to use this further. So now, let us move further. I take the triangle APO. So this is my triangle which I have just chosen. APO and this particular triangle. So in these two triangles, let us prove the similarity. So in triangle APO and triangle DQO, in these two triangles, these two are 90 degree. So I can say APO is equal to DQO, which is equal to 90 degree by construction. And these two angles are equal. They are vertically opposite angle. So I will say AOP is equal to DOQ, vertically opposite angle. Simple. Two triangles are now similar by AA similarity. Yes, so DQO, they are similar by AA similarity. Now, hence we got this, we just move further. Because the two triangles are similar for me now. If the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So that means AP by DQ is equal to AO by DO. AO by DO. I call it as 2. So from 1 and 2, I can easily say from 1 and 2, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC will be, because AP by DQ is equal to AO by DO, we can say that and prove the given question. ನಾನು ಏನು ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಪಾಸ್ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಪಾಸ್ ಓದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಪಾಸ್ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ F9 ಓದ್ಲಾ, F10 ಓದ್ಲಾ? This is the question, exercise 6.4, question number 7 from NCERT. Prove that the area of equilateral triangle described on one side of a square. So this ABCD is the square, BCQ, this is on one side of the square BC, there is an equilateral triangle and it is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle which is described on one side of its diagonal. AC is a diagonal, so this is another triangle, so we have got to prove this. So now let us move with this. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Suppose let us take the side BA if I take, so this is my square which is ABCD. We have taken ABCD is the square and this is my diagonal. Suppose A be the side of the square. Let side of square be A I have taken. Now by Pythagoras, suppose this is D I have taken, let AC is equal to D, the diagonal. So by Pythagoras theorem, D square is equal to A square plus A square. D square is 2 times A square. D is root 2A. So we got AC, which is root 2A. A could be any side, which can be BC, AB, any side we can take this A. So now let us just continue further. I just take this much. D is equal to root 2A and AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. The all are equal to A, which implies D can be root 2 BC or it can be root 2 AB. Anything, even DA, everything. So this can be anything. I just mark it as 1 here. Now APC and BQC are the two equilateral triangle. Obviously they are similar. So given to us APC and BQC are equilateral triangles. Given, that means their angles are equal, which implies triangle APC is similar to triangle BQC by AAA similarity. There is not necessary to prove this because directly we know 60, 60, 60. If two triangles are similar, we have already learnt that if two triangles are similar, their areas, how we are going to put it. So then, therefore, if the two triangles are similar, I can say here area of triangle APC by area of triangle BQC will be equal to square of their sides. So AC by BC, which is square. What is AC? AC is nothing but we have got this is D is AC. So AC can be 2 root 2 AB or root 2 BC. So here I am taking BC. So AC is root 2 BC because I need to compare with this and divided by BC whole square. BC goes, which is root 2 square. So the answer is 2. So what we got now? So we just rephrase it. The whole thing we ended up with 2. Therefore area of triangle APC by this is 2, which is nothing but if I take this and this cross multiplication, area of triangle APC by 2 is equal to area of triangle BQC. So just write it in a way as it is required for us. So we can just rewrite the whole thing how it is required. Now, this can be written as area of triangle BQC is equal to half the area of triangle APC. This is the required answer.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is the question NCERT exercise 6.4 question number 14. This is one of the important sum which can be even asked for the MCQ also. So here what is given to me? Triangle. Here we have been given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 centimeter square. Area of triangle DEF is equal to 121 centimeter square and EF is given to be 15.4 centimeter. Find BC. We have a simple formula. Whenever two triangles are similar, then we can easily take triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC by DEF and their corresponding side square we are going to take. ABC means obviously BC will be the side of ABC and EF must be the side of DEF. So take the square of that. So triangle ABC is given 64. This is given 121. BC square, which I don't know, EF square. So 15.4 square. Now, what is BC square? 64 into 15.4 into 15.4 divided by 121. Now, don't go for calculation. Go by the simple method because we don't want BC square. We want BC. So, directly let us go by the square root. It will be more easier. So, 64 into 15.4 into 15.4 by 121. 64 square root 8. 15.4 2 times. So, let us take 1 time divided by 11. So, on calculation, you will easily end up by 11.2 centimeter. Therefore, the value of BC is 11.2 centimeter. It may be the smaller, but it is important sum.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any particular sum to be solved, put it in the comment box. I try to make a video on that.